Edo State government on Friday don't take back the state-owned Nigerian Observer printing press from Fountain Brook Publishing Limited led by Chike Madueke, the consultant with the former administration appoint. Them shut down the state-owned newspaper The Observer for 30th June 2022 during the time of the then Governor Godwin Obaseki. The management of the newspaper compassed the consultant and they can't move the staff go the Ministry of Information and Communication. When Governor Monday Okpegolo enter office, he quickly takes steps to change the whole matter by telling the newspaper staff to come back to work. Now, the government don't take full control of the printing press from the consultant and give them to the management of The Observer, where Sylvester Obo be the general manager. The handover event dey witnessed by Honorable Paul Ohombamu, the State Commissioner for Information and Communication, Fred Itua, the Chief Press Secretary to the Edo State Governor, and other government officials from the Ministry of Information and Communication.
On behalf of Dr. Chike Madueke, the Chief Executive Officer of Fountain Brook, I'm handing over the key to the Commissioner, Honorable Commissioner. So this is your property. So, these are the documents. This letter is addressed to the Honorable Commissioner. Paul, I don't want to make mistake of this whole name. I don't want to bite my tongue. He's the Honorable Commissioner for Information and Communication, Edo State Government, GRA Benin City. Sir, this document is from Dr. Chike Madueke.
Honorable Paul Ohombamu contact said the event is very important and come out said the whole transaction shele without wahala or fight. He come also thank Fountain Brook Publishing Limited for keeping their word to return the printing press back to the state government. A Costi talk say,
that is my heart, and discuss with the governor is equally happy that without any altercation, serious crisis, we are getting our printing press back. And I must also commend the Fountain Brook company led by Chike Madueke, this is representative, for being a man who can keep to his works. We exchanged correspondence, we talked. When I came on board, I said, no, the primary mandate of Observer is to print. And going online is like social media. That was a dream of family. I must get this dream back. We must do it, even if there are other compliments we can do, other things added, but the primary mandate of printing must be done, like Guardian newspaper, like, Vanguard and the rest. And we know that Observer newspaper gets to the roots everywhere, the nook and cranny of Edo State. And even to Lagos, Abuja, everywhere, Port Harcourt. So there has been that diminished information. And this government, as I told my directors and others, even EBS people, we need to fill the people with good news. Because this is not the time to lament. We are fighting for a society, craving for a society where they will not lament our past disappointments, where we'll sing the new songs, no songs of sorrow, no songs of despair, no songs of lamentation, but new songs of good state where we can attain and achieve orgasm at old age and hold on to it forever. Orgasm here is a metaphor for excitement. Metaphor for excitement and happiness. Yes. Thank you. So we are here today to do just that, retrieve it. Then other ancillary issues like training, because he actually showed concern about the machine, the printing press, the complications involved. I said, well, that is secondary. Without the first question, you don't go to the why issue. Unless a furnished tenancy exists, you cannot adjudicate on the issue of rent. So let's do this first. Then the issue of training will come forth. So I want to thank all of you for keeping the peace and to assure Edo people that they will get news. As I have said, it is when the people know that the gulf, unnecessary gulf between policy and appreciation, achievement and appreciation can be removed. I know the more the people know, the less the chances of reckless rumor. So my own is that the people should be information constipated.
Yeah.
So that is your essence. And Observer, I know you be in good stead to do this.
Chike Madueke, the CEO of Fountain Brook Publishing Limited, for in part, talk say returning the printing press back to Edo State government now the right thing, sake of say it still be government property. Chike consti talk say.
Today, I believe they don't leave because my boss had told me hand over the property to the Edo State government. He told me that the property is the Edo State government property, not his own property. That his major concern is because he's the one that restored this nation, and he had been told to run the press for a while before the Edo State government take their property. Because the property owner must be the property owner, not this somebody that rented the property. So since I am here today, the press, as far as I'm concerned, it's unfortunate that some of you that are here is not there. The people that were here before know that the press are there onto this issue of stock production, and that's what happened. Now the press is divided into 3 sections: the large format, special on the flex, banners, maybe social t-shirt and other thing. Then we have the master station, where we print calendars, almanac, books, brochures, flyers, and any other type of printing that area can work. That is what they call it, the commercial side. Then we have the newspaper station, that is where we print Observer, only for now. Because we're expecting that some other job, because the press, as far as I'm concerned, is not running up to the full capacity that it was meant for. But I believe with this, when you start something, you have to talk, and eventually it will grow. So with this, when we're having my wish is that people will grow to the state that these other people that want to bring any quality job in Edo State will come to Observer Printing Center and do his job and become happy. Because from my own observation, let me say the 2 machines that we have, the Speedmaster. There is no Speedmaster in Edo State as a whole. I believe where we have Speedmaster can be a Port Harcourt and Lagos. So it's a quality printing place. And the job we printed here before, it's really, some of us can attest. We did the Oba's this over 8 days coronation. We did everything. And everybody who sees the quality of the job we attest for the other ones. Then the Observer newspaper we printed. I think, to me, I will talk about the printed pet. I'm not in it today. So the quality of the Observer keep on improving from what to before. So I'm here now to do the formal handover.
Sylvester Obo, acting general manager of the Observer, took mouth on top the challenges wey the newspaper don't face since November 2024, especially say them not get their own printing press. E come explain say the Observer not be just one media house, but na printing and publishing corporation where the law create. Say since 1968, the Observer don dey help show government policy and serve the public, but the major tool wey they need to do their work, the printing press, them take am from them. Sylvester Obo Konyan say they get 3 presses, but they not fit use any. Say them they hear say they make agreement and they come beg Governor Monday Okpegolo to help them get back their printing press, and they don't do am.
Since we came on board in November 19, 2024, we've been looking for this kind of opportunity to put across what we met on ground and our challenges. Now that you are here and the spokesperson of His Excellency Senator Monday Okpegolo is equally here, we believe this is the auspicious occasion for the help we have been looking and waiting for to come to our way. This visit is a milestone one in the sense that since November last year that we came on board, we have so many challenges. And one of the greatest challenges we've had is the absence of self-serving printing press. Observer is not just a media house. Observer is a publishing and printing corporation. established by Act of Parliament. And since 1968, sir, Observer has been able to project government policy trusts, service institutions, and general public, and actually keep the KPIs, key performance of the entire staff. And since we came back, we discovered that the major tool we need to do our job was taken from us, which is the printing press. We have 3 printing presses in our premises, but we've not been able to have access, or we are denied access. And we come to realize that there was an agreement between the Fountain Brook. And I want to use this opportunity to appeal to the Honorable Commissioner and the Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, to please retrieve our printing press and give it back to Observer. Because without the printing press, whatever we do here is not recognized, so to speak, because like the grassroots, we have been trying to do the e-copies, but a lot of goodwills and patrons have come wanting to patronize us. But because we have not been able to start our production, the patronage has been very discouraging. So let me not bore you, Honorable Commissioner. One of the greatest challenges we want your presence to solve for us, sir, is the recovery of our printing press to enable Observer function as it is established by the state government.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.